Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, in the land of grills, we've been building some more shelves. And the reason I built these shelves is I want to make some of the stuff more accessible. So today we're going to take advantage of the accessibility of getting to that baby right there, the Weber Smokey Joe, modified Weber Smokey Joe. And we're going to do 2 half-pound burgers. We're going to get a little smoke on them, and then we're going to sear them. Keep on watching. Well, besides the obvious the modifications, a lot of people ask me where I got those little lid temps. Years ago, those were at Home Depot. I haven't seen them there for a long time. So they were cheapos from Home Depot. Those are file handles that I just, that way you don't burn your hand. And I got it on the bottom one too now. On the inside though, that's where we're got our set up there. We got a little divider there, our charcoal on this side. I took a pizza stone and cut it down, and that's my indirect side. So I'll wrap that in aluminum foil, charcoal over here. We'll get our smoke over here and our sear over here. Yeah, seems simple enough, right? All right, I have used a lot of different ways of starting charcoal. So I tell you what, these hot air guns, this one is, I did the review from Turbo. I tell you what, 5 minutes and I got her where I want her. And I'm gonna put some more charcoal on top of that, but first, we're gonna go make those burgers. Let's go make those burgers. All right, so here's what we've got. We've got 1 pound 90-10. You know 80-20 makes the best burgers. I disagree. I like 90-10. Little onion I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna put my cheese on the inside. You're crazy, Tom. Then I'm gonna season on the inside. This Farm 407's got some good pepper in it. And then just to make things a little different, some of this My Ploy sweet chili sauce. Yeah, on the inside of our burger. It's crazy, but oh, it's so good. Oh, there you go. Oh man. So we're gonna smoke and then sear. So we want them nice and thick for the smoking part at least. So let's go take a look, get them on the grill. All right, smoke's rolling. Give you a look at the setup. You can see our lid temp there is just a little above 100 degrees. I've got the bottom vent wide open. I'll leave that wide open the whole way. If I adjust anything, it'll be with the top vent. You can see we've got our burgers on there. Charcoal's on the other side. I've got 2 little chunks of mesquite in there. Mesquite's pretty powerful when it comes to smoke, but these burgers won't be smoking for very long. Obviously, I want to try and get a sear on them too, and I don't want them to be overdone. So that's kind of a challenge right there. Sometimes it's best smoke them on here, and then if you had like a griddle, like a Blackstone, and then sear them on there, and I could still do that. But you know what? For you, we'll go through it. Now, I'm going to leave a link down below. A lot of people are asking about the mods and everything. I'll leave a link down below to the handles and the smoking stone on the inside for the Smokey Joe. I think it's pretty cool. Someone's going to ask what I'm using for charcoal. B&B, hotter, longer, cleaner. You can find it at Ace Hardware, folks. Tom, tell us about the table. Well, that's a Weber table, and those legs come out and they store on the inside. Now, they haven't made these things, I think, for about 5 years now. Occasionally, you see them out there. You may even find it at a rummage sale, or even at a hardware store that couldn't sell it and had it in the back. That's how I kind of picked mine up, is that was after they were done making them that I found them at Ace Hardware. So they are pretty cool, and they fit the Jumbo Joe, the Smokey Joe, and the Weber Go Anywhere, and they fit in the slots. And then when you take that handle right there, this handle right here, see that? And it unlocks it. Like I said, I don't know why they don't make this anymore, because it is pretty cool. All right, we got some, oh man, look at that smoke. Thin blue smoke coming out of there. Look at the temp. Right around that 225, 250 range. That's great. This has been about a half an hour. That's all I was looking for. That's why I used mesquite, something strong, because I knew that it wouldn't be on there for long. So we're gonna pull the burgers, get this red hot, sear the burgers. All right, the burgers are smoked, and fire's hot, hot, hot. So let's just take them and place them above the fire, and we'll give them about 2 minutes. Do like a little quarter turn, another 2 minutes, and then give them a flip, give you a look. All right, let's take a look. We did 2 minutes. We did them like a half turn, quarter turn, and then we got this just on loosely here. Oh man, look at that. We're gonna do a flip here. Okay. Looking nice, pretty nice. How does this on the Weber? It's Smokey Joe. Got like a half sear going on there. Keep on going, but still looking pretty good. All right, I'm thinking these are pretty much ready. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's looking really nice. Nice looking burgers. Give you a look, see once they're plated up. All right, we got some toasted buns here. Little homemade pickles on there. A little bit of Secret Stadium sauce, folks. I'm telling you what, half-pound burger. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my, smoked and then seared on the Weber Smokey Joe. I gotta take a taste test. Oh, All right, you can see how nice and juicy it is. You can almost see a little bit of a smoke ring there. That was only half an hour, folks. That's why I went with a very strong smoke from mesquite, so I could taste it, and I can taste it. Very good. And then the searing, man, I'll tell you what, folks. On the Weber Smokey Joe, the smallest Weber, the cheapest Weber they make, you're going to turn out some gourmet smoked and seared burgers on the Weber Smokey Joe. Hope this was helpful. Folks, don't forget to subscribe. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.